Introducing IQ, Inspired Query, purpose-built AI for the construction industry by AECInspire. It does not meet spec are 6 of the most expensive words you can ever hear when dealing with an error negotiation on a project. Specifications are hard, they're big, they're daunting, they're hard to read. But let IQ become your spec research superpower. In this first example, we're doing a typical takeoff in a drawing, and eventually you're going to come across something that you may or may not know. Like CUH-3. What is it? Well, we all know if we're doing it the right way, we need to go to the spec and really review the details of what that is. Now, with IQ as your superpower, you can literally go into IQ inside of AECInspire, type in something simple like, provide me all the electrical details for this CUH-3, and then let IQ do its magic as it goes out and scrubs all of the specs and all the drawings and returns all the details associated to that particular item. You can see here we got all the electrical information, all the power information, everything that you need to really understand that unit in total. Now let's step this up a little bit, because there's probably more than one CUH on this project. So let's ask Query to actually provide me all the electrical details for all of the CUHs on this project and return it all in a table format. And just like that, IQ is going to go out, do all that research, and come back and provide you those details to a level that you just probably have never really experienced before. Now you may have noticed we've got a copy button here as well, which allows you to take any information IQ gives you and copy and paste it directly into any other application that you need. Now, drawings and specs are just the beginning. We've teamed up with Electri International. Electri's research efforts are extraordinary. We're so blessed to have them part of the electrical construction industry. The challenge is, how do you make actionable plans out of their research efforts? Again, this is when you can let IQ become your Electri research superpower. Let's show you a couple examples. Once you log into the IQ for Electri research documents, you're first presented with a few items. Over in this side, you can go take a look. We have all of the Electri research documents preloaded into the system for you. And then whenever you take a look across the way, we actually have a spot where you can actually put your business profile in. This is super important. The more information the system knows about your business, the more tailored its responses can be to your specific organization, helping your action plan exactly. We also have a few preset questions you can throw at the system, just as an example. So here we're talking about some labor issues and what's going to happen in the future. And you can see it's giving you some really detailed information. And then at the bottom, as you scroll through, you'll see some hyperlinks, and those are actually connected directly to the documents that research data was pulled from. This is pretty phenomenal stuff, guys. You can really get in and do a lot of research very quickly and go back and double check your research efforts to the original research document itself. Now for a bit more fun. Now, everybody's looking at prefab these days as something that's an option, so let's ask it a question. I want to really, look at doing prefab, and if I do so, what kind of benefits will it bring me? This is a natural language engine. Just type in what you're looking for, and boom, the system is going to bring it right back to you. Now, one last question. What if I want to start a prefab shop? Can you build me a plan? And again, the system with IQ, you just ask the question in common language, and it's going to research the information and then build you a plan of action. Now, in this example, we're just doing a basic, but you can get in and get a very detailed plan over the course of time and get all the details that you need to actually start executing a prefab shop effort. We're so excited to bring IQ to you today, and our booth is just around the corner, 2809. Come by and give it a test run for yourself.